leaking top insider stock trades every day until they stop us, September 26th. And we've got some good ones, starting with a big win from last Friday when we saw the CEO at ALX Oncology buying $100,000 of the stock. He had averaged over 50% one-month returns on his previous purchases, and they had recently shared some positive updates about ongoing trials. Well, in just a week, the stock is up almost 50%. And now for the top purchases. We've got a bunch of insiders at one of the most popular companies out there, Marvel Technologies, buying over $2 million of the stock, including the CEO, who averaged over 30% 3-month returns on his previous purchases. This stock has a lot going for it. It's in a hot space. The price just recently crossed the 200-day moving average. They just announced a massive $5 billion buyback program before their $2 billion buyback program was even finished, and they announced a $1 billion accelerated buyback. On top of that, it is trading at a much lower multiple than its peers, and they just recently hosted a call where they basically told investors to stop worrying about a potential slowdown in revenue because they aren't going to have that, and growth is looking good. And we also found the CEO at Star Equity buying over $600,000 of the stock in multiple transactions in the month of September. Unlike Marvel Technologies, this has not been a hot stock, and this is more of a turnaround play. They've been in a tough macro environment since 2024, but I think this purchase and some of their commentary would show signs of recovery. They mentioned on their most recent earnings call that their APAC business is recovering. Their US business actually grew even with the poor jobs reports coming out of the US, and they said they're seeing a turn in both Europe and the Middle East. On top of that, they managed that they're winning new clients faster than they have before. They also made 2 new acquisitions after a year and a half of no acquisitions. They just completed a merger that they say will save them $2 million in costs over the next 12 months. And while the long-term numbers don't really show things turning around quite yet, their most recent earnings numbers were good, with both EPS and revenue estimates increasing. Find all the top insider trades at CEOWatcher.com.